Hey guys, been a while. Excuse me. Thought I'd give you one grand tour of the garden here before it all ends. Wait a minute. Oh, back out. Oh, no. Alright. Here we go. You can see the cilantros. Final days. Probably won't be here for the next video. I do have planned, I've ordered some more tobacco. I'm going to show you guys how to do your roll your own tobacco. Not for kids, not a good thing, not endorsing it, but I do it. And this one's still around, but I have a feeling he's probably on his last days. Pretty amazing though. And get down here. Let's see where we're at with the dill. 24, which is 22. So we got 2 inches into the ground. Still going, not quite like the beast. See, like I said, this was just an experiment, just to see how this works. Next year I'll get some plots, everything going. So, got a little bit of rain this week. It was great. Squirrels. Take you over. We built a little makeshift fence. One of our neighbors said if you just use fishing line around poles, like so, that should keep the deer out because they don't like bumping into things. Another thing, if next election cycle, if you are fortunate enough to be next to somebody that's running for office, they take these poles here and use them for signs, and when they lose, they just throw them in the dumpster. So I got about 35 of them. They're like $8 a piece. I got them for free. So that's one good thing about the elections, I guess. But yeah, we wrapped it all the way around because I'll show you here. This is just makeshift. We threw this up really quick between rains just to keep everything out. It's not quite like I get hinges for it. So let me show you what happened here. Again, the tomatoes are stagnating. I don't know why. We've got a little bit more growth on these. And this guy just kind of, well, no, he got it. But we have been getting tomatoes off of it. The ones that first started out, they are ripening, so it's good. But again, I don't know. I don't know. These guys are starting to get eaten a little bit. And this guy got eaten completely. So that's why we threw the fence up. Over here, we've got all kinds of future cucumbers, I hope. Everything looks pretty good. Some of the buds for the squash are just falling off. We've had this happen before. I'm not sure why it's happening. It starts out really good and then just kind of fizzles out, so we'll see what happens. So I just wanted to show you that. Let you know what's going on. This one still seems to be working. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If your electro sticks are still working, if you've got any recommendations for the buds falling off of the squash. I don't know what that's all about. I mean, they're standing up nice and tall. Everything looks good. I don't know. Let me know. Alright. That's about it for me. Just wanted to stop and say hi. The next video will be a roll your own tobacco kind of thing. Show you how to do it on the cheap. Till then, talk to you guys later.